What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another Dollar Tree DIY crazy hair day idea. Tomorrow is Wacky Wednesday. Well, today, because you guys are watching this video today, so today is Wacky Wednesday at my daughter's school. I think this might be the craziest one yet. I can't wait for y'all to see it. This day, each and every year, it's not Crazy Hair Day, but it's Wacky Wednesday, so we're going to include the crazy hair into the wackiness. You feel me? So, I'm sick as a dog, but we look forward, like I said, we look forward to this day each year. So you don't miss a beat, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you comment "Hey T" in the comment section. Say "Hey Bra." But like I said, let's get started. I know y'all seen the thumbnail and you're trying to figure out what's going on. I know you read the title. Yes, I'm putting a Christmas tree on her head. And she is so excited. Did not wash Amara's hair because I'm about to put a whole bunch of, not a whole bunch.
Materials in the hair.
Material girl. I'm putting some products in her hair. I'm gonna start by just blow drying her hair. I was gonna flat iron it, but I ain't putting no more heat on it. So other than this blow dryer, this is a blow dryer brush that I got from Amazon. Okay, so now that I have her hair blow dried, I'm going to tell you what you need. So remember, this is a Dollar Tree project.
So she only likes to use Dollar Tree stuff.
Correct. So I have a tree skirt.
It's going to be like a necklace.
Red and gold, they're like clips. Red and gold garland, hairpins, battery operated lights, tree topper, an empty water bottle, cut the tag off of it, or the sticky part, whatever, and leave the cap off. Her hair was kind of already parted from her last style. So hold your water bottle up there. One hand. Okay, and I'm just gonna start to brush up. Okay. I'm not doing this no special way. I'm not parting or nothing. I'm just grabbing here and going. But I am going to spray as I go. I'm sorry, y'all. You do need rubber bands too. I'm gonna bring the rest of it up, and you're gonna put it. You're gonna kind of tie it around the rim of the bottle, like this part right here. You're gonna tie the hair that way. You can always go back and smooth it up. Continue to brush the hair all up. Go. Fill for the top of the bottle. And that's what's going to help the hair stay in place. Okay, does that hurt anywhere?
A little bit.
Where?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Does that hurt? Tell me if anything hurts.
Right here.
Right here? That's better?
Yeah.
Okay. It was just pulling too much?
Yeah.
Okay.
And kind of like this whole section.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that?
Better.
Better? Okay. You still want to go through with this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Definitely.
Here's going to be covered with the garland. It's a Christmas tree. We're going to decorate the Christmas tree.
Wait, so you're not going to be able to see my hair?
Huh?
You're not going to be able to see my hair?
A little bit. You won't be able to tell his hair.
Oh, so this is the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
And then I'm like the trunk where it holds it up. And then the thing's going to be around my neck.
Yep. I just love that I have a kid that wants to wear this type of stuff to school. Like, it's so dope. She's so dope. Super dope.
And I'm glad I have a mom that has enough time for this.
Yes, ma'am. Sick and all.
Yeah.
My edge brush, the bottom of it, the pointy part, to kind of just tuck the hair inside the bottle. Just get it in there how you can. Use your nails. Just tuck it in there.
Tuck it.
Tuck it. Does anything hurt? You good?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to open up the garland. I'm going to tuck the garland inside the water bottle with the rest of the hair. Let me use my phone for that. Okay.
I have long hair.
Okay, and this is where you're going to use your hairpins. And kind of just pin the garland as you go. I'm going to do some of the garland. Okay, sit up straight. And of course, in the morning, I'm going to have to touch things up. No, this part worries me because the garland is kind of like coming loose. So I'm going to try to like just overlap it like that and pin it.
Mommy, you can be a 10th hairstylist.
Oh, thank you. I just like to be creative, that's all. Tree topper is going to sit right on top of the little donut. Put your head down so they can see, Mommy. Put your head down as much as you can. Okay, right there. So the tree topper is going to hook right onto here. We're going to kind of push everything up into it and pin it. All right, hold your head up. So inside the tree topper and water bottle, you found a spiral and pin it. And it's not leaving. All right, head up. How do you like it so far?
I love it.
Okay. I use my edge booster here and my brush and do some baby hairs. And I might even put, no, let's leave all the hair tucked in there. Okay, can you hold this for me? Thank you.
Oh, it smells good. Mommy, that smells good. This one is brown, lasting shape, style, and shine reflected, and coarse hair.
Okay, so we got a little bit of baby hairs down, a bit to
The crown,
the hair.
my hair. Are you gonna do a pattern? Make a pattern. pattern. Make a pattern. Let's make a pattern. Alright.
This looks like a Christmas tree. I ain't gonna lie.
I know,
It's a lot,
right?
but it looks like a Christmas tree. All right. Now, we're gonna place the lights around the tree.
That's so close to my neck.
Ready? Bring it.
Tickle.
Ready? Yep.
I like this.
So the battery can hang. It's long enough to hang and she can just put it in her pocket. All right, turn your lights on. Let's see how it works. Super cute. Let's turn the lights off so they can see. On a count of 3, Amara's going to turn on her Christmas tree. Ready, Amara?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Super cute. Look at that. Super cute. I see we probably need some lights to go right here. Up a little bit more.
That was like a real tree.
It
but
does
mini.
look like a real tree.
Pockets.
Look at her and the tree.
Mother, this is the baby.
Super
That looks
cute.
so similar.
It does. So do you love it?
Look, I gotta go to the bathroom. I've been waiting for this whole
All
entire
right.
video. It's been 46 minutes.
Turn your light off. And then come back. 'cause we're gonna...
This is the best hairstyle ever.
So is this your most favorite DIY hairstyle?
Yeah, but not my favorite hairstyle. My favorite hairstyle was the purple hair.
Was the what hair?
Purple hair. My favorite hairstyle.
No, the crazy hair day style.
That one from pre-K.
The cupcakes. Okay. All right. Don't let that battery pack fall in the toilet. Thank y'all so much. I hope y'all enjoyed this project. If you are bold enough to try this on your kid would like to wear a style like this to school, go ahead and try it. Send me a picture on my social medias or tag or pinned in the description box down below. And also at the beginning and end of my videos. Huh?
I don't know how to get down.
You know how to get down, boy. Jump.
I can't.
Well, step down.
Let's see it.
But thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. Comment down below, hey T, tell me how you like the hairstyle. I know it's a lot, but they said it was Wacky Wednesday, so that's a wacky style in a good way. Boom.
Wait, this is the body.
Yeah. All right. 5 thumbs up. Share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.
Peace.
Peace.